There was someone who is a good Samaritan who find the need in their heart to give to the homeless. They donated, look, two of these, look, and they donated this peanut butter, and I have two of them here. Look, and bread, so I can make some sandwich for the homeless. Sunday coming in and I saw them. I felt so bad. I didn't bring any food for them. I didn't know that I would still see them because the police don't want them to be at the train station. So I had what to say to one of them. I didn't bring any food today. Sometimes we waste so many food throwing in the garbage on a weekly basis. And if we can do with those extra by sharing with the homeless, it would be a blessing. God blesses you when you bless others. You have to have a heart of gold and a heart of humanity to reach out to others who are less fortunate, who don't have somewhere to live. See, this pandemic has put a lot of people backwards. Some are living from paycheck to paycheck. We are one day away from paycheck. And when this banner is lifted, this eviction notice is lifted, a lot of people will be homeless. I don't know where I would be standing in that gap, but to those who have a job, God bless you. Pray on it and pray for others. And as you share and be like the Good Samaritan, as the Bible said, what you do to the least of my children, this you do unto me. So when we help the homeless, we do it unto the Lord. Because when God was on earth, He was doing good. He helped. So we are to be like that Good Samaritan. Help the weak if we are strong. Thank you and have a blessed day. Watching this video, please subscribe, leave your comment below. And if there's anything that I'm not coming on here to beg you anything, that's not what I'm here for. But if you can reach out and touch somebody's hand and make this world a better place, if you can. Thank you.